Hi everybody, have you started using Bitmoji in the Bitmoji Classroom? If not, I'm going to show you the basic steps on how to get your own Bitmoji avatar and then how to use it with a Google Chrome extension, which makes it so much easier to add the Bitmoji to your slides. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to your App Store and download Bitmoji on your phone. If you already have it on Snapchat, you won't have to do this step because you already have your own avatar. But if you are just getting started, just go to the App Store and download Bitmoji. You just click the get. Of course, you guys already know this, and then you just build your avatar. You're going to be able to pick hairstyles, eye color, your clothing. You can imagine it goes on and on. Once you like what your avatar looks like, you'll save the outfit to your closet, and that way it's just easy as a one click of a button to put that outfit back on. Imagine you could build multiple outfits. Let's say you want to make a Bitmoji about brain breaks. You might want to have kind of a workout outfit on. You just click it, boom, and it goes right on. Easy as can be. So once you have your Bitmoji, you are going to go to the Google Chrome web store, and you're just going to type in Bitmoji in the box here, and you're going to get the Bitmoji extension. Just say yes to all of the permissions. As usual, whenever you're getting an extension, you know the drill. Once you have downloaded the extension, you are going to see this little icon show up here right next to your toolbar. That is what is going to make your life easier when you try to build your Bitmoji classrooms. You're just going to click on that, and this button will pop up, and you will see all of your choices. All you do is drag and drop right into your slide. Let me show you real quick how easy it is. So if you're a teacher, you're building a presentation for your students. Here it is up here. You just click on your Bitmoji Google extension. You put in whatever you want. I'm putting that's it because this is the end of our presentation. But you could put in the word poses would be really helpful. So you could get like the sitting pose and things like that. So basically that's it. You are all set. You know to go to just drag and drop, to go to the App Store, download Bitmoji, build your avatar, then go to the Google Chrome store, get the Chrome extension, then just click on it, drag and drop. It's really that easy. Hope this is a helpful tip and that you can get started enjoying this great tool. Bye-bye.